Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for our next set of awards. And these are the 10th edition of the Spirit of Manufacturing Awards. This is to celebrate a decade of honoring brilliance as well as innovation in the manufacturing sector. The Spirit of Manufacturing Awards was initiated way back in 2014. So as I said, it's been a decade. It has been the beacon of inspiration for startups as well as entrepreneurs in the manufacturing domain. Over the years, it has grown in scale and the platform has only increased with every passing year. It has recognized the outstanding achievement but has also nurtured a spirit of innovation and excellence. Today's event has been made possible with the collaborative efforts of TiE Delhi NCR as well as PAR2 SME, two organizations that have been deeply committed to foster entrepreneurship as well as innovation in India. Now, to kickstart the proceedings and to inaugurate these set of awards, I am honored to invite on stage Mr. R. Narayan, founder and CEO of PAR2 SME, to grace us with his welcome note. Could we have a huge round of applause for Mr. Narayan, please?